Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we introduce a refrigerator door switch SWD series. At present, higher requirements are put forward for electronic parts installed in refrigeration equipment using combustible refrigerants, such as air conditioners, ice machines, refrigerators, and other household applicants. They must be sealed and meet the requirements of IEC 60079.15 and must attain ATEST certification. Parts include switches, thermostats, relays, etc. There are two choices for SWD refrigerators door switch rating. The first one is SWD 01 series, which is mainly used in microcurrent signals using gold array cross contacts, reliable contact, and long life. The second is SWD 06 series, which is mainly used to control lamp. It uses silver contacts and can reach a 6A 250 VAC rating. The switch housing material is selected to meet the requirement of the 4th edition of IEC 6003351, has high PTI and GWT performance, can be applied to household applicants with high pollution, and is safe and reliable to use on refrigerators. The switch uses high performance phosphor ground shrapnel with superior fatigue resistant. Ingenious structural design, smooth hand feelings, and various operating force options. Universal installations, dimensions, and connection terminals are suitable for switch installation and terminal wiring requirements of different customers. Dimensions and installation of SWD series switches. General purpose refrigerator door switch mounting hole in the market. The following are our order guidelines and provide operation buttons suitable for different refrigerator door designs in the market for customers to choose. Friends interested in refrigerator door switch can contact us through the following website and email below. Follow our subscriptions number for more switch information. Thank you for watching.